Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Chisachi Frank. I work in Kalangala and Kalangala Youth Center 4. I would say by God's grace, still I work with HAC by providing the permanent methods as one of their surgeons they trained. First of all, I want to thank HAC for the great work they are doing in this district. Their output is felt all through the district in regards to family planning, especially the permanent method. Before then, I remember before we started having these services provided to our clients within the district, they would transport them to Masaka, and definitely it was not cost effective, it was not sustainable. But at the end of the day, they came up with a model which has seen services brought towards the patient in the patient's proximity, and that's where actually it took on a task of training actually different doctors to provide permanent methods through MiniLap and also vasectomy. It's been a great journey, I would say. It's been a success, and HAC has really done enough in providing the supplies. It has done enough supporting, doing mobilization and sensitization of family planning methods within our district. So before HAC came on board, actually it was a little tricky. They would actually, clients in the district would depend or would rely mostly, if not only, long-term methods, the IUDs, the Jadel, and the implant. Basically, those are the services which could be provided to our clients within the district. But when HAC came on board and with their mode of training surgeons, training doctors on how to do MiniLaps, on how to do vasectomy, we've had actually the service embraced by the people within the district, within the different landing sites. You know, Kalangala being a hard-to-reach district, at least HAC has reached all corners almost to make sure at least they get the service they desire to have. So after the training went on, HAC remained actually on top of the game, whereby they could go in the villages, do the mobilization, which has really helped to make sure that people get to know which service they need, where they would even go ahead and transport these clients, because we can't keep on moving given the nature of our work. But at least their field officers, they've made it a point to make sure that at least they do the mobilization, identify those people who are interested in permanent methods, and they've always brought them on board, and they've always gotten a service. So I want to say thank you so much, HAC, for that, for the efforts, actually for the work you're doing, and we hope that this work, the partnership continues, because at least we are looking forward where we can train more doctors in the provision of these permanent methods, and at least I know with time things shall be well. So I hope this partnership continues, and I hope we continue serving humanity. Thank you.